Stock number 41541G. It's a 2015 BR-Z Scion. You can see the front bumper's no good. The headlight looks alright. The hood's no good. The bumper's no good. The grill's no good. This headlight's no good. The radiator's damaged. The radiator core support's bent. This fender's no good over here. This fender's no good. Passenger side view mirrors looks good. The passenger door looks good. Passenger quarter panel looks good. This tail light over here looks good. The deck lid looks good. The rear bumper has a little gouge right there, a little paint problem. This quarter panel is good. This driver door is good. The side view mirror is good. This front fender is good. The steering wheel airbag's deployed. The driver's seatbelt's locked. It does have a key. This seatbelt is locked. The seatbelts are good back there. It does not have a sunroof. The seatbelt's locked. It's a Subaru BR-Z, stock number 41541G. It's a 2015 Subaru BR-Z. It does have a key.